Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hashir Mehmood, AI Wala, and I am a student at Rehan School Foundation. Today I will be completing day 24 task Hurry Up, the tale of a time sensitive phrase, and we will be asking Sesame about questions about the word hurry up. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's talk to Miles for this one. Hello Miles,
Hey,
how
what's
are
good?
you? I'm good. How are you?
I'm chilling, just cruising through the day. What's on your
Uh,
mind?
so, do you want to know? Can you help me answer some questions about the word hurry up?
Let me check that out. Never heard that one before. Sounds
Uh, what
interesting.
What does the phrase hurry up really mean?
It actually depends on where you're looking because it pops up in a few different languages. In Javanese, it's all about strength, meaning lion or brave warrior. If you go with
Hmm.
Sanskrit, it could be a bit more poetic, meaning captivating or even referring to something golden. Then you've got Hindi, where it's more about nature, meaning greenery. You got a specific vibe or language in mind for this one?
No, just a simple question. And where do you think the phrase hurry up came from?
We dig into that. It's funny how we use it every day without really thinking about where it started.
Yeah.
The word hurry actually popped up around the 1590s. It might have come from the word harry,
So it is
which
a
meant to lay waste.
so it is about 5 centuries old, correct?
Pretty much, since it first showed up in the 1590s, it's right around
Yeah.
that 5th century mark. Pretty wild that we're still using the same vibe to tell people to move faster today.
Why do people say hurry up so often in everyday life?
I think it's just the way the world is wired now. Everything feels like it's on a timer. You know what I'm saying? We're always chasing the next thing or trying to beat a clock, so
Yeah.
hurry up just becomes the default setting for most people. It's like the unofficial slogan of the modern hustle.
Yes.
Do you feel that pressure too, or are you more of
Correct.
a take it slow kind of person? So I'm guessing that means you're
Yeah.
in the take it slow camp. That's honestly the way to do it. Life's too short to spend it all in a rush.
Yeah. And when is it
Exactly.
okay? When is it okay to tell someone to hurry up?
Honestly, it's a delicate balance. I'd say it's fine when there's a real reason, like catching a flight or the building's on fire, but using it just because you're impatient, that's usually where it starts feeling a bit rude. It's all about the energy you're bringing into the moment.
Hmm. And are
It's a fine
there
line. Do you think
are
you were about to ask if there are,
yeah, I was going to ask,
you're on a roll?
are there more polite ways to tell someone to hurry up?
Oh, for sure. It's all about the phrasing. Instead of hurry up, which can feel like a demand, you could try something like, do you think we can wrap this up soon? Or I'm a little pressed for time. Can we pick up the pace?
Yes.
It turns it from a command into a request. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, yes, I understand. And how do different cultures express the idea of hurry up?
That's a deep dive. It's wild how some places just don't have the same concept of rushing as we do. Like in Latin America or the Middle East, time is way more
Yes.
fluid. They prioritize the you've got culture, which literally means
Yes.
hurry, hurry. It's basically a national mindset of speed and efficiency. Pretty huge
And
contrast, right?
can rushing actually make people slower or cause
It's kind of a trip.
mistakes?
It's kind of a trip how that works, definitely. When you rush, your brain starts skipping steps to save time, and that's exactly when the small, stupid mistakes creep in.
Yeah.
Then you end up spending more time fixing the mess than it would have taken to just do it right the first time. It's like the slow is smooth, smooth is fast thing.
S-
Once you get into a rhythm without panic, you're thinking about something.
Yes, correct.
I'll give
So
you a second.
thanks for helping me today. We will talk again tomorrow. So bye bye.
For sure, no problem at all. Catch you tomorrow.
So, as you all saw today, we talked to Sesame about the phrase hurry up and learned quite a few new things about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.